like a fire, embers off of your breath. My voice won in a choir, begging you to cool it. I always thought there was green in the cracks of your concrete. Took only one step inside and I saw there was nothing, nothing. Don't you say now, I just walked out. I would stay in a second if you called out, told me right now. You can see that I'm hurting. Honestly, the bar is on the ground. Must have hurt you by putting it down there. Honestly, the bar is on the ground. It must have hurt you by putting it down there. You are soft in the center, iron keeping us out. You need my love like a mother, and I've been living without. I always thought there was heart underneath all the malice. I took a chance, let you in, but your posture was careless, so careless. Yeah, don't you say now, I just walked out. I would stay in a second if you called out, told me right now. You can see that I'm hurting. Honestly, the bar is on the ground. Must have hurt you by putting it down there. Honestly, the bar is on the ground. Must have hurt you by putting it down there. Is it so hard? Don't you say now, I just walked out. I'd stay in a second if you called out, told me right now. You can see that I'm hurting. Honestly, the bar is on the ground. Must have hurt you by putting it down.
I run my mouth more than I should. Being alone will probably help my health. It's doing more bad than good. Speaking the truth don't always help. But I was coming around to you, full of advice, didn't think twice. Now I'll be coming around to you. I wish someone would've told me. Ooh, 'cause I was tripping, I was so confused. I didn't know what I would have to do, yeah. Now I'm just trying to take my words back. Now that it's all on me. Now it's all on me. Me. Now it's all on me. Now it is all on me. It's all on me. Now it is all on me. Guess it's all on me. Now I'm tryna hit you up, tryna get you back, trying to get under your skin so we can do the things we did again. You can't believe you're better off as friends. I'm the best for you. I did it again. Coming around to you. voice, didn't think twice. Now I'll be coming around to you.